Hey y'all, welcome back to the New Leather Workshop. I got a big project this time around. We're going to have to break it up into parts probably, but I'm going to make a Haus leather backpack. It's going to take a long minute. We're going to get it done. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, I've got all the leather cut for the backpack, and it's a lot. It completely fills up my cutting table. It's all the straps, all the side pockets, all the everything. So here's what it looks like. We've got the front and back, the handle, the closure belts, pocket front, pocket back and lid, backpack lid, side pocket back and top, side pocket back and top, side pocket front. Side pocket closures, D-ring mounts. What are these? Side pocket closures, D-ring mounts. These are the top and bottom of the shoulder straps. Front and back, front and back. Backpack side, closure lace. These two are the straps that connect to the shoulder straps, the lower straps. Side pocket sides, front pocket side, handle, and closure buckles. That's a lot. And I'm sure I'm missing some, but I'll figure it out as I go. So now the next step is to put liner on all the pieces that get liner, which will be the front, the back, front pocket, side pockets, and then start some assembly.